Okay, welcome to another video. Today we're showing this Blanchard Model 11 vertical type grinder. This is a serial number 11045. This has a 16-inch diameter electromagnetic chuck, which you control with a fairly modern Nutrifier 3. This would be your release. This would be to turn it on full. You also have a variable. You can increase or decrease the magnetism, and a residual setting to remove the magnetism from your workpiece, your on and off switch, and your fuse. Now this is mounted on an older Nutrifier number 2, which we're probably going to remove for spare parts. It's no longer connected to this machine, so we'll make a new bracket for this. Here's your down feed wheel and dial. Here's your gearbox for your table speed. Here's your manual. This has a manual lubrication pump going to the underside of the ways. Comes down along here and up around here and gets across the saddle. Now, these points here are lubricated with a handheld grease gun, and there's several other places along the machine. Well, this is your down feed dial. You also have a rapid down and to wrap it up. We could start the chuck rotation. It's nice and quiet. We can go on to the different speeds. It has 4 different speeds. 64, 41, 24, and 15. This is the 61 RPMs, the fastest speed. And 41. The grinding spindle. Now this machine is also equipped, if you'll notice, there's no hand wheel here to move the saddle in and out. This has been modified. There's an air cylinder mounted at the back of the machine. There's a joystick mounted here and a push button here, and an on and off switch for the whole system. So this needs to be turned on, and these buttons need to be pressed simultaneously, and it brings the table into a set stop. Both buttons have to be pressed at the same time. Then you'd start your chuck and start your down feed. Just going to speed this along a little bit so we get up here by 0. Over here is your dial for setting your different feed rates. This switch box up here was connected into the old chuck controller. It's no longer has any function. We're probably going to remove it. This reached 0 and machine shuts off. I don't know if you can bring the camera around over here, cameraman, for a tight shot. I'm going to shut this off for a moment. Again, 2 hands on the table. I don't know if you can see inside of this electrical cabinet. But there's been a modification made to the machine. It's been fitted with an Allen Bradley PLC. A very nicely done job. Basically, it just controls all the functions of the machine: the chuck rotation, the wheel starting, the wrap it up and wrap it down, and the control, the dual button on the slide coming in and out. There's no automatic down feed other than the standard original Blanchard down feed. There's no automatic cycle. It's just they replaced a lot of older contactors and relays and put in a logic controller the Allen Bradley PLC. Altogether, it's a pretty nice machine. I'll start up the spindle again. We got to close this and turn the power on. 440 volts, 460. And we can start our feed. All right, that's the end of our video. Thank you very much for watching.